Hello, my name is Alejandra Dutan, and this is my classic arcade game program assignment for SGD213. And the first thing I did was unzip the file, and then no, that's not it. Well, first I extract all. You click on it, you extract all, you unzip it, then you go to Unity, you add it, and then you can open it. Then you're going to get something like this, or no, something like this. And then what you have to do is create all your script files or your code files. Excuse me. Okay. And we're going to be basically creating 5 files of scripts: Spongy, Rhyme, Controller, Platform, Asset. So Spongy is going to be what we control and how we make our sponge move, how many lives it's going to have, what's the score. Then we're going to call to the game objects and everything. And we're going to also set the bounds where Spongy can move. And we're going to use if statements to make it move. So to what should we press to move right? What should we press to move left? And what happens when it collisions something. So if it collisions one thing, he's going to get more more score, and he's going to lose life when he collisions onto acid and stuff like that. So there's the spongy one, and then we have to go to the grime one. Grime is, in this case, what's going to be our score, the thing we're going to collect to get our score. I don't know what grime means. Let me look it up. Oh, since it's the sponge is what he's going to be cleaning up. Okay, so we set the public rigid body grime, then the speed is going to be falling down, and then here is the spawn, like how often we want it to appear. So here's 2, that was the default setting. If you want it to be more, you can do, I'm going to set it like this, okay? And right, I think that's how it was in the acid. Let me just check really quick. Yeah, so let's see if it works. And then there's the acid script that's over here. I also changed the speed and the spawn so it falls a little quicker, and the spawn so it appears more often to make it like a more difficult level. So I'm going to show you how that works, and then I'm going to show you back to the follow along video original one to see that. You can always go back. So here's just the code to make it spawn, what is the range it can spawn in, the vectors, and how are we going to call it, and then what happens if it hits spongy for the acid and for the grime. So it's very similar. Then we have the controller that it's only for the score. That's pretty simple. And then we have for the bathroom, which is our background. I'm sorry, I have so many tabs open. We is it open? I don't know. Yeah, here it is. we have this for the bathroom. It's just the score goes down if you hit the grime, or it goes up if you, I mean, if you hit the acid, you will disrupt the object, and if you hit grime, you will get a score, but it will also destroy the object. So it's just for the background. And then let's see how it works. So we hit play. And here is our spongy, and look, so many things falling. Ah, I died with a score of minus 40. Okay, I'm going to try it again because I think I did it too difficult. Because I still have only 2 of these spawning, just quicker, I guess. Oh, I only have 1 more life left. I don't know what. There are no many any more coming. Any more crimes? Let's check it out. So we're going to go here. Crime. I'm going to delete these. We're going to be back in the default. Oh, I didn't change the speed. That's why they weren't falling faster. And I was just like, what is only acid coming? And then I'm going to change the acid one to the original. Here, I think it was, let me think, -3, and here it was 5. So let's see how the project works with those default settings. Look, it's taking longer for the acid to come down, and that makes it easier to move around. And there's also not as many acids. Whoa. Oh, I don't know what happened there, but that's it. Thank you.